I'm not joking, I physically can't do the mustache. Yours is just coming off without even hurting you.
You're not bleeding.
I refuse to do the side.
I can't get my mustache Well, Al, I can't get it off. Yours is coming off without hurting. Why?
Okay, I refuse to do this. Oh my god.
God, it's like eyebrow waxing.
It's like facial fucking. Oh my god, my hair.
Do we have hair on our face?
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna feel good when we peeled it off.
Yeah.
I'm probably irritated now. My face is probably gonna break out now.
I know. Ow, ow.
I can't do my cheek under here. How did you get under here?
How'd you get your mustache? Ow. Oh my god, my mustache kills. I can't get it off. Ow.
Oh my god.
I wish your mom. I get to get it off with warm water. I can't do this. My face is gonna break out. I think I physically can't do it. Idiot, put it underneath her eyeballs like a friggin' idiot.
Oh my god, this really hurts. How do you do it under here?
Ow. Should I just pull this?
No. Oh my god, my eye.
I can't do it.
I thought it was just gonna come off like this.
I know, my god.
Like sunflower seeds in my eyebrows. Does your face feel smooth?
No. Hate this like once a week. Kiss that goodbye.
Once a year.
Or never again. Alright, what's your take?
You never get your mustache wrong?
I would never.
Well, no.
She does. I would never.
So sad.
Okay. She does? What's local?
I had to get the rest out of the water because
You got all yours out. Yeah, never again. I guess like we have hair on our face. Do we?
well, obviously.
I'm like a ward like person. I can't get this off.
Yeah, well.